Okay, bring right here, man. That's beautiful. All right. Now watch this.
Hello, everybody, and welcome. Happy New You. I should say Merry Christmas and Happy New You. I always say that. I don't know why. It's just Happy New Year, meaning New Year, New You. Okay, never mind. All right, anyway. So today we're doing an unboxing of something that I just received the other day. And I just getting around to it now, holidays, kids things, all kinds of stuff going on. But I'm very excited about this. This is a Fright-Rags exclusive that I just received in the mail. And if you didn't watch the video intro, which I'm assuming most of you did, you kind of already know what it is. So let's take a look at the Fright-Rags exclusive Silent Night, Deadly Night snow globe. So already in the box it says, punish. Obviously it's one of the lines that Billy says in the film. And it says here, it's a snow globe. Very obvious. All right, so let's take this out of the box and take a look at the outside of the box and then open it up and take a look at the goods in here. Okay, so here's the front of the box. It's a musical snow globe. Look, I love Ira's toys. This little sticker on there. I love it. What a little nice homage to the movie. Obviously, it's a Silent Deadly Night snow globe. There's Billy himself. Santa's here. And then here's the other side of the box. Santa's watching, Santa's waiting. Now, if you check out the musical notes here, this is kind of, I don't know, I guess the way to say that this might actually play the song. Santa's watching, Santa's waiting. It's in the film. So, not saying it's foreshadowing, but it kind of is. So let's get this thing open. There's the bottom. There's really nothing. It just says Fright-Rags, and there's a logo on there. So let's get this thing open, and let's take a look at what it looks like. All right, I'm opening this up, and it looks like there's a safety precaution. That's not a toy. It is made of glass, and it's breakable. Keep away from your children. Also, it contains distilled water and some stuff I can't read. Ethylene, glycol, glycerin. Oh, it's chemicals. It's toxic, so don't drink it. Okay, and also don't spill on your pet's fur, because then your pets may not, well, they may not have fur anymore. Or it says call your vet immediately. So just be careful with this. Now that we have this open, here's the box. It's over here. Here's the snow globe. It's in a nice foam. Thank goodness it's not styrofoam. My God, every time I've had one of these things, or I've gotten a snow globe or something exclusive, it's always in really styrofoam and it just crumbles everywhere and it snows all over the place. This is in a nice foam. So let's carefully remove this foam. Let's split it and get a look at, oh, there's a peek. Let's get a look at this snow. Holy cow, look at this thing. Oh my God. So this is the movie poster. This is the artwork from the movie poster. Obviously, it's three-dimensional, but man, is this awesome. Not only is it cool, but I mean, it's not that large. I mean, I knew getting this, it was like, I think it was like 3.5 by 5.5 or something like that. So I know it wasn't very big, but it's got some weight to it, clearly, because this thing is filled with toxic chemicals, as we learned, and obviously there's some battery compartment down here and some lights in it, and look, the logo, Silent Deadly Night. That's cool. There's some nice little rubber feet on there, and then here's the battery compartment, and if you look underneath, Queen of Snow Globes. Gotta be the company that made it. So let's put in the batteries. I'm not entirely sure what kind of batteries. I have both double and AAA here on hand, so in case I open it up, I don't have one or the other. I have something that'll work with this. So let's put the batteries. Okay, so I just loaded this thing up with batteries. It takes 3 AAA batteries. I'm just throwing it out there. 3 AAAs. So I was kind of surprised. I only had 2 AAAs and 2 AAs. I had to run out and grab another AAA battery. But let's turn it on. Let's get a listen to this thing. It does not have a wind. It does not have a winding crank which I'm kind of surprised about. You know, you get older snow globes, they have like a crank that you just wind up and then it goes. But because there's a switch on here and obviously a speaker, clearly this is, well, it has to have a switch, of course. So let's turn this on and get a listen to it. I cannot wait to hear it. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, so it plays Santa's Watching, Santa's Waiting. So it was in the film. Let's shake it up and get a look at it and get the effect of the full globe appearance, I guess. Let's do this. There we go. Now we're going to look at it without the light on. Obviously, the light adds some effect to it. What I can't get out of my mind is somebody on the internet, as soon as Fright-Rags posted this thing, somebody commented and said, oh, you know, the light in here, right around the chimney here, it looks like melted butter. And now I can't get that. I can't get that out of my mind. It literally, I mean, it does kind of look like melted butter. But clearly it's a warm white light. Maybe if it was a cool white light, it would look different. I mean, because obviously there's snow and some ice. Because there are ice crystals and things in here, it might look a little different with cool white lighting. But I think the warm lights in the chimney here, when it's lit up, I think it adds a little bit to the, and also I believe it just looks like an older globe. I don't know. When you see older snow globes with some lights in them, typically they're always warm lights, so it always kind of reminds me of that. But I'll be honest with you, this is a great little pickup. Unfortunately, these are sold out. They were $129.99, but with the code PUNISH, it was $95.99, something like that. Don't recall exactly, but it was way less. So let's just put it that way. But let's be honest, this is a great little collectible. And like I said, unfortunately, they've been sold out. They only had, I think, 500 of these. So as soon as I got the email, I jumped all over it because Silent Night Deadline. It's a great little slasher Christmas film. I've already seen it this year. My next one on the list is Black Christmas, and that's going to be tonight. But I just wanted you guys to see this is a great collectible. I'm not sure if Fright-Rags will ever re-release this again. I mean, maybe they will. Maybe next year. I don't know. But this is a great collectible for a great movie, honestly. And it's wonderful. Close up here. Look at this 3D movie poster artwork. Love the movie poster artwork. I don't know why. I just do. They use the logo from the film down here. And again, takes 3 AAA batteries. And there's a switch. And the switch activates the lights in here right around the chimney. And it also plays Santa's Watching, Santa's Waiting. So there it is. There's your unboxing. Again, I wish these were readily available. They were only available for a short time until they sold out. There were only 500 made. Fortunately for me, I had one of them. And no, I did not see any numbers on the box. So I couldn't tell you what edition I have or whatever it is. But anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. We'll see you next time.